Yeah, that's way better. Oh, wait, that shirt is so clean. If you guys want this merch, I still think
Great job
it's up.
with the
I
merch.
can't remember if I took it down or not. But the back's really cool. I kind of fucked up washing this one because this was like a special material and I didn't read the instructions. So I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if is it even showing. The back's pretty cool too, but turned out pretty nice. I like it a lot. I actually really love the way this one here feels.
Subs.
Halcyon, thank you so much for the 5 tier 1s. You guys started a gifted train or sub train rather. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that, dude. People still use banana splits? Yeah, they're still really good switches. Oh my god, Jana, thank you so much. I appreciate the 5 tier 1s. We're working on Jana's board today, actually. There's a lot of stuff to unpack with this. We're doing Milmax today too, chat. There is a lot of stuff. What color sat is this again? So let's take a look at the board we're doing today. So we're doing a Sat75. Let's move some shit out of the way. Oh, also, S-Craft sent some artisans to open. I don't know if I'm allowed to open these yet, but I don't care. I don't remember which ones they sent. I'm supposed to take pictures for them, but I kind of want to open them now. I'll probably do like a TikTok or something too. 62s are my favorite for that. Oh, this is kind of neat. So, oh, this might be my favorite one yet. Oh, this one's sick, chat. Hold on. It's a little Venusaur. You know, I have to give it to them. Like, they are pretty creative with these. Second stream I catch this week. What's going on? How you doing? I wonder if these fit inside the Artisan Cube. Oh, maybe. I can unbox that a little bit later. Oh. Chat, look at this one. Oh, this one's sweet looking. The fire's like a little translucent too. I don't know if it comes through on the camera very well. So these are from S-Craft. These are not officially licensed. I think at one point they were supposed to be officially licensed. But these are more, these fall under the category of fan art. Or fan-made stuff. Very cool. Damn, that's sweet looking. So these are from S-Craft. They sent them out early so I can take some pictures, but I'll probably do it later. That was amazing me how they managed to fit that much detail in a single cap. Yeah, miniature stuff is like wild. Whoever mentioned that Keycult had extras, bless up, needed some plates. Oh, did they have extra plates and stuff? Low-key, I might need one. Oh, we have 2 OLEDs. I'm assuming there's probably 2 PCBs in here. All right, we have our stabilizers. Oh, this is something I've never seen before. Did they always have these? So nice. Green, thank you so much for the prime, dude. Thank you guys for the hype train. I really appreciate all the love, guys. Thank you so much. Did they always have this? I don't remember that. This all looks like new packaging. I've never seen one of the Sat75s before. I don't think I've ever seen this. I thought I built a few round 2s. Do you feel beige? I'm always feeling like a little beige is not a bad idea. Beige is always good. Alright. These are packed in real tight. This I don't like when people do this with PCBs. Kind of a nuisance to take them out. Now I'm assuming these are just, is it 1 brass plate? Or is it 2 brass plates? What audio DAC do you use? I have some Sony XM4s that are a little quiet when I connect them to my PC directly. A DAC's not going to help you. You need an amp. Oh. I didn't know they offered FR4. Wait, Jana, what plate did you want? I kind of just made the assumption it was going to be brass because I didn't know they offered FR4. I'm assuming FR4, but it's up to you. Ever since 2 years, you got a lot more support. Nice. Thank you, MechSucks. It's been a very wholesome community we've accomplished here. Very, very wholesome. I have no idea what the difference is between plates. So, okay. Chat might be able to help us with this too. So, Gianna, basically, the brass plate that came with it is a gold plate, which is the one I'm putting away here. Truth be told, I really hate the brass plate with the Sat75. Every Sat75 I've built with a brass plate unless we stuff it with foam, sounds really bad. I've done a few with FR4, and they usually sound a lot better. So brass is going to be a lot more stiff, and it's going to have like a really... it's going to reverberate a little bit more too, so it's going to sound more like metal hitting metal. Totally up to you and what you prefer. If you like that kind of sound profile, which some people do, I'd say let's go with brass. But if you want something a little bit more, I'd say not as metal-y sounding, I think brass had its time in the sun, and now nobody uses brass as much anymore. Thank you guys for all the subs. I really do appreciate all the love, guys. Oh, it's an E-white sat. Beautiful. Again, I love the weight on the Sat75. Like, it's a really cool weight piece. I still wish... The only thing I wish they did different about the Sat75, I know it's a super popular keyboard, but I say this every time. I wish they extended this down all the way, raised the bottom just ever so slightly to give it some different layer over here, because otherwise this like very flat canvas, in a way, to me, exudes a little bit of cheapness. I like the back a lot, like I like everything else about the build itself. I just really wish they would just extend and raise the back just ever so slightly. This is pretty much like a staple in the keyboard world these days. Well, it still is. Used to be more so. Very, very sought after keyboard. I remember when these were flying off of aftermarket too. Everyone had to have one. It was absolutely wild. It's always just irked me a little bit about the Sat. It's just that bottom design. Other than that, it's a really pretty keyboard. I wish, you know what I really wish? Again, I don't want to knock top mounts or knock the Sat in any way possible. I wish they actually did like a little bit of an upgrade to the Sat75, just changing the internals, you know? That's all I wish they did. That's literally it. I have a flat bottom. We still talking about keyboards? Huh? Listen, we all have some mental stuff going on, I swear. Like, if someone tells me they don't, I don't know, man. I usually don't believe them. I feel like everyone always has something to improve on. I am no exception. I have crap tons of stuff to improve on mentally. No one's perfect. You know, we all make mistakes. But one thing I definitely want to keep in the chat is just mental health awareness. So if you are feeling like you guys are going through something, just literally reach out to someone. I don't know why, dude. Usually we talk more about this during the winter and like holiday vibes, but even nowadays, like, I feel like even now is a good time to bring it up. Hello, I've been looking for a Sat75 for a long time. How did you find this? This is actually a client's. Cannon keys ran around too a little while ago, I think. So I believe this is from that batch. Other than that, if you are looking for a Sat75, I think Mech Market might be the only way. Even with the matching stabs, that's beautiful. What a pretty board. All right. All right, last step. Oh, you know what I don't know where it was in the package? The O-rings. Did that... Oh, is that over there? No, that's not it. Did these not come with O-rings anymore for the top mount? Oh, maybe they don't. Sequence in green, sheesh. Sequence is beautiful. It's a great keyboard if you haven't indulged in it yet. Sequence or QK? Damn, dude, you're really gonna hit me with that question right now? Honestly, I'm not sure which one I'd pick. I think I would still pick a QK just because I like it more. Or sorry, a Sequence just because I like that like gummy O-ring feel a little bit more. But like realistically, I'm honestly not sure which one I'd pick. They're both good keyboards. Have you tried any of the budget switches like Aqua Matcha Green Teas? I tried. Wait, didn't I try those? What are they called? Not the fruit switches. Yeah, the fruit switches. I tried those Ajaz fruit switches recently. Those were really good. I really liked those. Okay, so So it's gonna get put in here. But I thought those were really good. All right, we are done. And this is the build. If we need to put some polyfill in here, we will. But for now, we're just gonna build it. Well, you know what I almost forgot to do, chat? We're gonna take this off really quick. I forgot to do one thing, chat. I'll give someone a sub, assuming they don't have one, if they can tell me what I forgot to do. Alex, how is the Sagrada compared to the Salvation? Ah, dude, it's still very different. Socks? No. Not socks, chicken. Alex, random question. What do you do with all your keyboards? Just display them? I already have 2 and I'm waiting for my QK65, thinking about getting more keyboards. Some of them get displayed. I'm going to be honest with you though, dude. A lot of these lately, I end up putting them in a shelf somewhere that I don't really have access to, like, to look at. So I've been very, like, selective of which ones go on display. Yeah, that's all I really do. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's see. We got the accents in this one. Oh, cute. I have not seen these yet myself. Cute. Ooh, where are we going to put these? What does Films do? They help close the gap in the keyboard. They're using these in my build today? Oh, really? Dude, they're so nice. Cute. Ooh. Okay, let's put this... What's this one? Oh, they're both gold. Chat, I'm reading this right? Alu gold? Is this gold? This looks more silver to me. It is a little bit warm, I guess, but... It is? It's a very light gold. Oh, you were confused by that too? Yeah. Looks even better than I thought. Perfect. I'll put the bongo here in a second too. Okay, the one thing just to complain, the Sat75 has not a nice USB cutout in the back, and it's always so annoying to get the keyboard plugged in. All right, here are the banana split switches on the Sat75 with Osume Keycaps. So this is a PBT keycap. This is an FR4 plate. We didn't put any foam in it yet. I probably still will later because I still think this is going to be a slight bit resonant. But let's see what this sounds like. Let's open up a notepad here. Okay. I'm happy with the spacebar. Hold on, let's point the microphone to the board. It is a little bit lower in sound profile. Yeah, I mean, the Sat75's always sounded like this. This is no surprise to me. I think this sounds better than a lot of the other Sat75s that we do. It's not resonant at all, which is nice. The spacebar sounds great. Backspace sounds great. All the mods sound good. You know what I think will really get this to pop? Tape mod. I think a tape mod will really get this to pop. Jana, do you want to try a tape mod? Or do you like the sound profile as is right now? They didn't come with O-rings this time around. At least I didn't see any in the box at all. Here's all the packaging stuff, so... Not that we need to. We don't need to do O-rings. Again, the sound profile is a little bit on the quieter side. It still sounds really good, which is nice. I already like it, to be honest, but I trust your judgment. So tape mod would probably make this a bit louder. Is that something you want? Let's try it. Let's give it a go. It's very easy to remove. Not very picky with the sound. As long as you trust my judgment, will be good. It really doesn't. This is just top mount. We did not burger mount this. Quite frankly, I've always said this. I don't think burger mount does all that much in the Sat75 to begin with. Said that for quite some time, to be honest. So the tape will bring out some of the, I'd say, better characteristics of the plate and switch combo. That's what it'll do. That's what it typically does. What the hell? My Lightroom just like, you want to back up? I'm doing something. In body chair, yeah, I really don't like it though. If you guys want the honest truth. It started off really nice, but the chair just feels like it's kind of worn down with some time. So I end up not liking it. Meg, ask for some advice? Of course. Of course you can. What's going on, dude? All right, what do we think now, chat? Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, so the one layer did really well. Oh, the mods are really nice. I mean, price is subjective. The Afro is really pretty too. Like, it's a really nice sound. FR4, that's another reason why this sounds better than it does. All right, guys. Take care, everybody. All right, guys. Take care. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.